Welcome to Eureka Math. I'm Mr. Shankel. Today I'm going to be helping you with Module 4, Lesson 28. Let's get started. What we're doing now is solving two-step equations instead of just an addition or subtraction problem or a multiplication or a division problem. Now we have both a multiplication, division, and an addition, subtraction. So any combination of those four. So we need to know how to attack these. And the first thing that you do is you always undo the addition or subtraction first. In other words, I have to get rid of this plus 11 before I do anything else, before I do the multiplication. So it's the opposite of the order of operations. When we did order of operation problems, we had to do all of the multiplication first, then all of the addition subtraction. But when we're solving algebra problems that are two steps, we always have to undo the addition or subtraction first. So let's take a look at this first one. This is the first one in your packet. 6a plus 11 equals 89. So the first thing that I have to do is get rid of the plus 11 right here. This has to go. If I don't do that first, it's going to cause me to get an incorrect answer because I've gone out of order. So I need to get rid of the positive 11, and nothing changes about how we go about doing that. We still undo with the opposite operation. So I'm going to subtract 11. And it's important to remember that the equal sign is what separates the two sides of the equation. So I also need to subtract 11 on the right side as well. Now when I do that, the positive 11 and the negative 11 cancel. That becomes 0. And what I have left is 6a. So I'm just going to rewrite that down here. 6a is equal to 89 minus 11 is 78. Okay, so now I'm down to a one-step equation again, and this time there's multiplication involved. So I'm going to undo the multiplication with division. And the 6 divided by 6 becomes 1a, which is what we want. And 78 divided by 6 is 13. So we get a equals 13 as our answer. All right, let's try another one. Let's do number 2 over here. And this time, let's see, we've got c divided by 6 and then plus 4, and that's equal to 9. There we go. Again, I have to undo the addition or subtraction first. In this case, it's addition. So let me get a different color here. I'm going to undo the addition with subtraction. So I'm going to take 4 away. And when I do that, the 4 minus 4 becomes 0. And all I have left is c divided by 6. And that's equal to 9 minus 4. Remember, whatever we do to one side, we also have to do to the other side. That doesn't change. So none of our rules change. We're still trying to isolate the variable. We're still undoing operations with opposite operations. And whatever we do to one side, we have to do it to the other side. None of that's changed. The only thing you have to remember with two-step equations is that you always undo the addition or subtraction first. And that's what I've done so far. And now I have a division problem. So I'm going to undo that with multiplication. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 6. When I do that, the 6's cancel. I get c is equal to 5 times 6, which is 30. So c is 30. And if I check that and put a 30 in for c, then that's going to be 30 divided by 6, which is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9, and 9 does equal 9, so I know that that is correct. Okay? I want you to do the next 2 problems in the packet, and then you can check the answers with your teacher, and then practice those two-step equations. Okay, that's lesson 28. Hope that helps. See you again next time.